I actually went live, but I'm going to try my best to actually keep doing this over and over again. So, just to give you some input, currently the market is down, and that's why I came back online to talk to everybody about cryptocurrency because when everything's going up, you'd see all of the influencers talking to you about crypto, which is great for most, but not great for everybody, right? Because right now, when the downtrend happens, then everybody that thought that the price of crypto is going to keep going up and up and up and up are going to be stuck and worried because obviously all of uh, their funds would be stuck in the market. So this is very fundamental to what cryptocurrency is. People need to understand that there is cycles, there is volatility, and there's risk and potential opportunities as well. Though that being said, you need to be very careful of what you're doing. Most of these influencers are going to come online and talk to you day in and day out saying, hey, the price of crypto is going to pop off, get into the market, etc., etc. Well, this is not the case. Crypto actually goes up and down. Right now, we've seen a major retracement. Now, if you followed me and back in the day, I've been talking about crypto from a very long time, but the price of crypto, let's say a few years ago, a year ago, would have been way less than what it is right now. So definitely if you bought in at the price it is right now, you could have potentially had a lot of risk because the market obviously went down. So you bought in at a higher price. So you don't have much room for the price to come down. And that's what we've done in AITPO, which actually explained to you that look, when the market is actually down, that's the time people buy. That's the time I buy, when the market is actually dropped down, when the market's right at the bottom. Because then when the market goes up, if there is a small retracement or there is people where the times where the market comes down again, you don't need to worry about that because you bought in at a very low price. So your entry level was much lower. Now, this is very important because right now, when the market's gone down, you would still be in some potential profits. So this is what you need to know, that look, when the market is going down, that's actually a better time to purchase or get into crypto than when the market is always trending upwards, because you do not know when it's hit the high point and then it's going to crash. So you do not know whether the price of crypto is going to keep going up and up and up. So if you bought in at, let's say, 80K or 90,000, right now you would have been in a loss because prices, or break even pretty much, because the prices come down so much. Obviously, I'm talking about spot specifically, meaning buying and holding crypto, not trading it with leverage or anything like that. So this is the most one of the most important points what I wanted to talk to you guys about is specifically be careful of the retracement in the market. This is hard uh, lesson to learn because if you've bought in and you lost your money, then you're going to be in a panic right now. So make sure to be careful and remember there's a risk and there's always a potential to, obviously there's a reward. Secondly, let's talk about Trump and institutions. Fundamentally, I would look at the cryptocurrency market moving in a specific way, which was great for the first few cycles. Though right now we've got a big problem because we've got institutions that are into the market. So, for an example, when the market goes down right now, there's a potential for them to be making or buying in at a lower price than they would before. So they would have purchased crypto at a lower price because the market crashed. So, and obviously influencing the market as well because the price goes down or the price goes up. So the price of cryptocurrency is going to be moving in a specific way because they are influencing the market by purely buying and selling or crashing down the market themselves, because they buy in and sell, and because of the sheer volume they're moving in and out of the market with, they can create dips, big sell-offs, big buy-ins, and that's what they do. So it's going to be a rocky road because of the institutions. Obviously, Trump himself as well. That's another option there. Now, Trump said on one of his latest videos that he's actually giving away, or you can purchase for $5 million, a gold visa or golden Trump visa. What that is he's trying to attract non-US citizens to fall underneath the US tax way, right? So the regime of the US. Now, if you actually purchase that $5 million visa, which is great if you can afford it, if that's your mission, though that being said, you need to understand that there is a big issue that lies in between that, because all of my American friends are actually trying to break away from having this with themselves. They're trying to break away from having the American passports because the entire world income is taxable, or they have to obviously explain to the taxman all of the income that's coming in from all around the world, or file. They need to file all their taxes from internationally. So, example, if you are an American, or if you buy this visa that you're planning to get, it's probably a big joke, really, because you guys are going to have to be paying all the taxes with your wealth that's coming in from every country around the world, and file for it as well. So you need to have accounting for that. Um, I'm not sure what the benefit is, to be very frank with you. Well, this is this is the thing. Like, what would be the benefit for you if you're losing more than half your money? Because you then would be obviously open for VATs and taxes, etc. I'm not a tax lawyer in any way, shape, or form, but I do have common sense that, hey, most American citizens are trying to break away or give away back their passports because they are so sick and tired of paying taxes towards things that they are not benefiting from, obviously. Um, because if you hold that American passport, your world, your international income uh, taxes are taxed, right? You have to file for that internationally, not only locally. So it's a big thing. Please make sure you guys think about this properly on how you want to structure your finances. If this is something you're looking for, remember there are many options out there, like the UAE. There's options like there's other offshore options as well that hold much more dearer in respect to travel, if that's what you're looking for, if it's a travel option that you're looking for. But from a financial level, it might not be the best for you guys. So let me know in the comments what you think, and please follow us, like, share, subscribe, and I'll send you some more content just like this. Take care.